Hey, well, welcome back. I'm doing an egg thing.
What kind of egg thing?
I don't know. I'm gonna try and make a thing that I made in like middle school.
Oh, okay.
It's egg, and then it's cheese.
Cheese, right.
And then it's like meat maybe, and then
Yeah.
it goes on a tortilla.
So I think you hit like 4 food groups there.
It's pretty much all. You got the protein, you got the dairy.
Oh, what's that?
No, don't
Wait,
hit me.
what's that? Not chocolate. Okay.
I will disown you.
Okay, so next we're gonna get eggs. How many eggs? I don't know, I'm making this up as I go.
Fair enough.
There's 3 eggs there.
So I think we're gonna do 3.
We'll do 3. You get plate. I'm gonna move them over here so it's better for the viewer and the viewing audience. Put a bowl there for the eggs.
Good form, good form.
And I'm gonna get paper towel, otherwise juices drip and all that. And you don't want that, that's not good.
Salmonella. Right? The one that I knew a couple of chickens named Salmonella. Yeah.
I didn't get that for a second.
What was the pig's name?
What was the pig's name?
Crispy bacon. Okay, you ready for this?
Okay, yep. Wow. One hand.
One hand crack.
Oh, what a privilege to watch. Oh,
There's dessert. There's
again.
dessert.
That's dessert right there. Not 3. Wow.
That one did not work as
Holy.
well.
Okay, you gotta get the shells.
There's no shells in there.
You know, before any TV came anywhere near my career, I'd mastered my craft.
We're gonna go
Don't,
for 4.
don't look. Don't look. Oh! There it is. Wow. Wow.
It's easy to cook on TV.
If I'm being fully honest, the reason I don't really know what I'm doing this time is because I thought, hey, I can do a one-hand egg crack.
Sure.
And that's pretty much as far as the planning went. One of the yolks did break, but that's fine. I'm gonna break them anyway. Next, I need to get out the stuff I'm gonna add into it.
Right.
Cheese.
Jeez.
So we have cheese. We have a block.
Well, we can do the blockage. Did you get it? Cheese blockage?
That's good. I feel like I'm missing something.
Oh, you gotta heat the pan with butter.
Great. I should probably grate the cheese first.
Yeah.
So I've been informed that the good cheese grater is in the dishwasher because I put it there. So I'm gonna use this one, which is smaller cheese. It'll kind of go in with the.
Oh, it'll blend. Yeah.
So how much cheese do I want? Probably
All of it.
not all of it.
Oh, sorry, you're the chef.
Salt. Salt. Should I put pepper in it? Do you think?
No. No. Just salt. Yeah.
You think I should put pepper in the egg?
I don't know. You're the chef.
Oh, I'll put some smoked paprika. I'm gonna grate cheese.
Cut. 3, 2, 1, cut.
And we're back. Cheese grating is almost over. Mom had to take stuff from the kitchen, but we left everything exactly how it is because continuity errors are not a good thing. So,
Oh boy.
I'm gonna get butter.
Okay.
I'm gonna get a second plate because the last one was bamboozled on me.
Continuity.
And then we're gonna turn this up. Spatula. Yeah, just spreading the butter around.
Okay.
And I'll just greasing the pan.
Right.
Making sure it's all greased up. And maybe a bit of the spatula too, just so you know. Nothing sticks to the
What
spatula.
happens if you don't do that?
Parental figures will be very upset.
Right. Okay.
And the Oscar goes to
Joel Merzwolke.
We're gonna break up the yolks, just mixing them, the yellow and the white.
Okay.
Turn the heat just a smidge. Yeah, maybe. It's been a long time since I've made eggs, actually.
Right.
It's been a really long time. So put some salt down there.
I kind of think maybe you should make eggs more often.
You think so? But we don't have bacon.
Well, you could make them for your dad sometime, is all I'm saying.
Put a little cheese on there. Actually, probably made too much cheese for this.
The first time is too much cheese.
Oh boy.
It's already coming together, right?
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, just put a little smoked paprika in there.
Oh, I can come in? Okay.
Fine.
Oh boy. Look at the color.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Kind of looks professionally done. We're gonna throw a bunch more cheese on there.
Yep, I'm getting hungry.
I want to see what meats we have in the fridge.
Ooh. Probably not much. I hate most of the meats.
See, I can tell that just from looking at it. We're gonna take roast beef.
Sure.
That should work fine. On this side, you can see how it kind of like
Oh boy. Look at that.
it's sticking way more than it should have with all that butter, but that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
Some more stuff for me to clean up afterward. Okay,
Taking the tortilla.
put the tortilla on there. Nailed it. Okay, we're gonna take
Okay.
the roast beef.
Here we go.
Gonna separate her just a little
Oh,
bit.
nice. I can smell that. That's good.
Maybe just a hint more of smoked paprika.
See, there's another step that I wouldn't have thought of.
Just kind of making it up as you go, you know?
Yeah,
Okay.
I doubt that very seriously.
Just kind of flop it on there
Oh boy.
in various quantities.
Nice. What's that called in French, Drew?
Egg. I don't have a name for it in English, so it's
Oh.
pretty difficult to come up with one.
Okay,
in
now
French.
let's call it a Joel sandwich then.
Oh,
Oh,
we can work on that.
we'll work on that.
We can work on that for sure.
Okay.
So the next thing is gonna get my faithful cameraman guy said we should put hot sauce, so I'm gonna put some hot sauce.
I think he's a genius.
That sounds like a good idea. Let's put some hot sauce. Just,
Oh boy.
just kind of sprinkle it on there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, just do a little folderino there.
Mm-hmm.
Little folderino there. I'm just gonna keep rolling it.
You make it look easy again. Oh, that is tubular. Nice.
Totally tubular. This has been the most stuff needed.
The
and-
kitchen's not even dirty, really.
Not really.
Wow, thanks, Drew.
And that's how you make an egg, a cheese, a Joel. That's how you make that.
That's how you make that right there.
Yeah. It tastes a lot like cheese, and egg, and roast beef. I actually don't taste the paprika.